My wonderful friend, how are you doing today? I hope you are great. Unemployment really feels like silence, and that is because when you are unemployed, you are not going to be having any emails. I mean, no messages will be coming your way. You are not going to be having meetings that are scheduled for you to attend. You are not going to be having deadlines, I mean, targets that is structured for you to achieve. What you are going to be having is your time and your choices to make. And that is why most persons really misunderstand unemployment to mean not having a steady income. But until I pass through the life of unemployment, until I live the life of unemployment, then I now realize that unemployment is not all about you not having a steady income, but rather unemployment is really a teacher. If and only if you allow unemployment to teach you and become your teacher, and then you attend the classes of unemployment rather than running away from your classes. And when you allow unemployment to teach you, are going to experience extraordinary changes happening in your life. And it will help you to become who you want to be in life faster. Now, when you are unemployed, you are the boss of your life. No one is coming to tell you when to do something and when not to do. Being the boss of your life, you know what? You are the one that will plan your day. You are the one that will decide to discipline yourself, to wake up very early in the morning, to start your day, to plan your day. You'll be the one to manage your resources yourself. You will be the one to run the affairs of your life and not someone directing you on what to do. Unemployment makes you to face reality. Let me tell you, sometimes we hide with the jobs we have. We hide our weakness. We hide our fears. We hide our shortcomings, our lapses in the jobs we have. But when you are unemployed, my brother, my sister, you are going to be faced with reality. You are going to see life the way life is, one-on-one, without faking. You will experience life just the way life is. And life is not so merciful. Life gives it to you so hard. And unemployment will make you to see the inner strength in you for you to utilize it. Unemployment will make you to know that you are not working, but your stomach must be hungry. You are not working, but you have needs and wants to meet. You have to do something. You have to dirty your hands. You have to be productive. Unemployment is a great teacher with so much experience and skills. And that is why when you attend the class of unemployment, I mean, in this season of you being unemployed, if you don't use this period to ask yourself questions that are not important, like when will my life change? When will I get better? Why me? Rather than asking yourself this question, guess what you should do? You should rather ask yourself, this is my situation. What am I going to do to get out of this mess? I will be hungry. I have needs to meet. The prices of things are getting higher and higher by the day. Cost of living is on the high side. Life is now about survival of the fittest, and right now you are not working. So the question is, how are you going to survive? You will ask yourself questions that will make you to move forward, not questions that make you to always regret and pour blames on yourself. You are unemployed right now. You are not the first person. So many persons are out there unemployed. But what is the difference? Guess what? There are some persons you will see, they are unemployed, but you wouldn't know why, because they don't look like people that are suffering. You know, when you see somebody and the person is shrinked, the person look macheted, the person look tattered, you will know that this person don't have a structured income. But when you see this person, the person looks okay, you wouldn't know that the person is unemployed. Unemployment does not mean that you are backward or you are lacking. The fact is, jobs are not available out there. So what are you going to do? Use this moment of you being unemployed to self-develop yourself, to learn skills, to learn trades, to be productive. You see these areas in your life that you felt you are not doing well. When you are unemployed, this period is a period that you need to prepare yourself. When you are unemployed, it's not a moment you sit down and then you start complaining, you start crying, you start blaming yourself, you start comparing yourself to others. No. When you are unemployed, what you should do is how you can use this period to prepare yourself so that your future self is going to thank you for how far you've prepared yourself. Tomorrow can only get better for you, but you have to prepare yourself for the tomorrow so that when tomorrow comes, you will have what it takes for you to function properly. Unemployment doesn't mean that you are dull. I want you to know that unemployment and its period is a time for you to think deep. It's a time for you to sit with yourself and see how you can take your life to the next level. Your season of unemployment is a period that you have to transform yourself. It's a period that you have to dare the undareable in your life. That you are unemployed doesn't mean that your world has come to an end. And that is why I want you to move with boldness, move with confidence, be calm and do your thing. Because guess what? You might be making or you might be taking little steps, but those little steps of progress you are making will get you to your next level in life. Taking a step is better than you not taking at all. The more steps you take, the closer you get to your destiny. I have been there, and that is why I have this experience. Unemployment really taught me what I know today and who I am becoming. So I am advising you to allow unemployment to be your teacher. Fine, you are unemployed this season. It is for a purpose. It is for you to prepare yourself ahead for greater days ahead of you. If you don't prepare yourself now, how will you function properly? A workman without experience, you will go out to the field and then embarrass yourself. I know you are smart. I know you are intelligent. I know you can do it. I know you can get better. If I can do it, then you can do it better. This is Simplicity in Peak channel. If what I've said in this video really makes sense to you, like this video, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Until next time, bye bye.